Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the most unique and futuristic Amazon gadgets you'll absolutely love. Cutting-edge innovations that blend style, intelligence, and pure wow factor. From smart home marvels to next-level personal tech, each gadget is designed to transform your everyday life into something extraordinary. Step into the future where imagination meets reality and discover the devices that are setting new standards for innovation. Number 1, imagine a projector that doesn't just display images, but transforms your space into a cinematic universe. Meet the Samsung Premier 5, more than just a projector. From the moment you power it on, you're immersed in stunning 4K clarity and ultra-vivid colors that make every scene feel alive. Its laser technology delivers sharp details even in bright rooms, while the sleek, minimalist design fits seamlessly into any modern home. What truly sets it apart is how it adapts to your environment, projecting a massive screen on any wall without complicated setups. Whether it's movie nights, gaming marathons, or streaming your favorite shows, the Premiere 5 makes every moment feel premium and larger than life. This isn't just viewing, it's experiencing the future of home entertainment. Number 2. Step into the future of home living with the Amazon Astro 2, the AI robot designed to do more than just assist. It transforms your home into a smart, interactive experience. From the moment it rolls into a room, Astro is more than a gadget. It's a companion that seamlessly blends intelligence with mobility. Imagine a personal helper that navigates your space effortlessly, checks in on loved ones, and keeps an eye on your home, all while learning and adapting to your daily routines. Astro 2's advanced AI allows it to recognize faces, respond to commands, and even anticipate your needs. Its cameras and sensors don't just see, they understand the environment, mapping rooms with precision and adjusting to obstacles as if it has a mind of its own. Whether it's fetching reminders, delivering messages, or alerting you to unexpected movement, Astro brings a new level of awareness to your home. But it's not all about utility. Astro's interactive interface makes engagement natural and intuitive. You can speak to it like you would a trusted assistant, asking questions, controlling smart devices, or simply checking in on the household while you're away. Its sleek design and smooth movements make it feel alive, a premium fusion of technology and personality that belongs in the homes of tomorrow. With Astro 2, the line between AI and companion blurs. It's more than automation. It's presence, vigilance, and convenience combined in one futuristic package. Imagine walking into your living room and having a robot that not only understands your commands, but anticipates your needs, monitors your space, and brings a touch of smart elegance to everyday life. This isn't science fiction. This is the Amazon Astro 2, the AI robot that makes your home smarter, safer, and truly futuristic. Number 3. Meet Misa, the next-generation social robot designed to redefine how we connect with technology. This isn't just another gadget on your shelf. Misa is alive with personality, learning from every interaction and adapting to your lifestyle in ways you never thought possible. Imagine a companion that understands your moods, remembers your preferences, and responds with intelligence and warmth, making every conversation feel natural. Misa's advanced AI allows it to engage seamlessly, whether it's telling a story, assisting with your daily schedule, or simply sharing a moment of entertainment. Its sensors and cameras map your environment in real time, allowing it to navigate your home with elegance, avoid obstacles, and even recognize the people around it. It's a robot that doesn't just exist, it interacts, remembers, and grows with you. The experience is intuitive and human-like. You can speak to Misa, and it will respond in a way that feels effortless, almost lifelike. From gentle reminders and smart home integration to interactive games and personalized interactions, Misa blends functionality with personality. Its sleek design and soft gestures make it approachable, a futuristic friend that fits effortlessly into your home. Misa is more than technology. It's a bridge between innovation and emotion. It's a companion that's always present, learning, adapting, and making your life smarter, simpler, and more engaging. With Misa, the future of social interaction is here, bringing intelligence, warmth, and connectivity right into your home. Number 4. Scan 2, the world's first science-backed longevity station. This isn't just a health gadget, it's your personal gateway to understanding your body like never before. Imagine a device that maps your vitals, analyzes your wellness, and delivers insights grounded in cutting-edge science, all in the comfort of your own home. With Body Scan 2, every detail of your body is measured and interpreted, giving you actionable insights to optimize energy, improve recovery, and enhance overall health. Its advanced sensors capture everything from body composition to cardiovascular performance, translating complex data into simple, meaningful guidance. The experience is effortless. Step in, relax, and let Body Scan 2 do the work while it tracks, analyzes, and learns from you over time. It's a futuristic companion that doesn't just measure, it empowers, helping you make smarter choices and take control of your longevity. With Body Scan 2, the future of wellness is here, blending science, technology, and insight into a single, elegant experience. Your path to a longer, healthier life starts now. Number 5. Step into a new era of personal health and insight with Withings BeamO, the world's first multi-scope to give you a complete view of your body's inner workings. This isn't just a health gadget, it's a revolutionary way to see, understand, and optimize your well-being like never before. With BeamO, complex measurements become effortless. It captures a spectrum of vital health data, from heart and lung function to metabolic and muscular insights, delivering an integrated view that's simple, precise, and actionable. Each scan translates advanced science into intuitive feedback, empowering you to make smarter daily choices. Imagine having a personal health lab on your wrist. BeamO doesn't just measure, it learns from you, adapting to provide insights that evolve with you over time. The sleek, futuristic design makes it feel like holding the future in your hands, a seamless bridge between cutting-edge technology and everyday life. With Withings BeamO, the future of personal health isn't coming, it's already here. Step in, explore, and see your body in ways you never thought possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest tech and gadget updates.